Hi everyone, welcome to Galaxy Express Creations. Today it will be a cat, happy cat. I think the cat is flying. Looks funny with this like cape. I guess the cape has little no, the tail is here. On this side, and he has this little belly, stripes, like a tabby cat. So the cat is flying through space. And because it's Galaxy Express cat, so the cat is flying through space. But I don't know, this part looks a little bit weird, huh? This cat's neck and stuff. So I think I'm gonna add this part and just this color of the cape. I guess the cape has this little like print. Actually, this pen is too small, so I'll use this. I don't have the big marker of this color, so I'll use purple. You can see like this line here, so oh wow, it's really dark. So yeah, he's flying through space, and there's little like cosmos. And there's this like space stuff. This space has all these things that are like gases and stuff. I don't know what's out there. I've seen pictures, but I don't know what it's like if you actually see it in person. I'm pretty sure it's really beautiful. But I think the images capture more light than what we could see. You know, when you see like a shooting star, it's really fast. But the picture, if you take it, you could see the light stroke. So maybe it's really different when you see it in person. Like the moments are like sparkling instead of like sparkles in the pictures. Oh, he looks happy. Where he's going, I don't know. Maybe he's flying through space looking for cupcakes. Or maybe he has to like go get like haircut. I don't know. But he's happy going somewhere. So his journey is happy. I think I'm gonna use like orange in here in the background. If I could find it. I found it. So I will use hint of orange. Yeah, I think the drawing is done. I think I could turn it to show you better. This is the drawing for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.